Welcome to the Gourmet Code. Today, we'll be showing you step by step how to make delicious and tender meatballs that are perfect for any occasion. Whether you're cooking for your family or hosting a dinner party, this recipe is sure to impress. So let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. To make meatballs, you'll need ground beef, breadcrumbs, egg, onion, garlic, parsley, salt, and pepper. Start by finely chopping half of an onion and 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Then, in a mixing bowl, combine 1 pound of ground beef, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 beaten egg, the chopped onion and garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley, and 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Step 2. Mixing the ingredients. Using clean hands, mix the ingredients until well combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the meatballs tough. Step 3. Forming the meatballs. Now it's time to form the meatballs. Take a small handful of the meat mixture and roll it between your palms until it forms a ball. Repeat until all of the mixture is used up. Step 4. Cooking the meatballs. To cook the meatballs, heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, add a tablespoon of oil to the pan. Once the oil is hot, add the meatballs to the pan, making sure to leave space between them. Cook the meatballs for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, until browned all over. Step 5. Finishing the meatballs. Once the meatballs are browned, lower the heat to medium and add 1 cup of your favorite tomato sauce to the pan. Gently stir the meatballs so that they are coated in the sauce. Cover the pan with a lid and let the meatballs simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, until they are cooked through. Step 6. Serving the meatballs. Once the meatballs are cooked, remove the lid and turn off the heat. Let the meatballs cool for a few minutes before serving. You can serve them on their own, with a side of pasta, or in a sandwich. Sprinkle some fresh parsley on top for a pop of color and flavor. There you have it, a simple and delicious recipe for meatballs that you can make at home. With just a few ingredients and some basic cooking skills, you can create a dish that is sure to impress. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy this recipe and give it a try at home. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more recipes and cooking tips. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.